Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find the 5 niches on Amazon that can supercharge your affiliate success. So in this video, we're making affiliate marketing easy and exciting. And now you may be wondering what is niches, why these niches? Well, it's simple. If you don't have a niche, everything will ruin. So you need a niche because these are the hotspots. So the areas where people are always looking for great product, whatever you are pro or just starting, these niches offers ton of opportunities. Because if you don't have a niche, you will have a lot of category of products and you will not know how to start. You need to choose a niche and stay updated with that niche so you can boost your business. And I will show you in this video as a step-by-step strategy. First thing, we will find those 5 niches and why those specific 5 niches, and I will show you how to find winning products on those specific 5 niches. Also, I will show you how to find videos, high quality pictures of those. And now let me talk about those 5 niches. First, thing we have health and wellness, we have technology, home and kitchen products, beauty and personal care, and the final, we have fitness. Those 5 niches, every year you will find them between the top niches on affiliate marketing, also on dropshipping. Also, I need to tell you this, whatever you are entering a domain, a business online domain, you need to choose a niche. If you are a UGC creator, you need to choose. If you are doing a fashion product, if you are filming a skincare product, if you are filming anything, you have to choose a niche to focus on. And on dropshipping also, you can build a website on Shopify, for example, but you have to choose a niche to build that website, and then, for example, you will build a website for skincare, you will build another one for home product. But that, if you are not beginner, if you are a beginner, just focus on one niche, please. Then if you have some experience, you can go and work on a lot of niches, but at the beginning, just choose one. Then, so now we will talk about those niches. For example, technology. On Amazon affiliate marketing, you will find out that technology has high commissions. So, for example, if you post a link of a product on technology, you will find out that if one person just bought the product, you will get a high commissions. Um, like if you compare that to another commissions of skincare products, and also like this. But those 5 niches has a lot of demand, so a lot of people interested in those niches. You can, now what you will do is stop the video and you can go and search for those niches step by step, one by one, to see what niche you want. Of course, after you do that, you have to go also to TikTok and search for every niche of this. Just click home product, click health product, click beauty, personal care products, click fitness, click whatever you want, and you will find videos. Now, after you did that, you will go to TikTok and you will click on, for example, home product. I clicked on home product and I found a lot of videos that has a lot of engagement, videos that going viral, videos that has a lot of product, people showing product. And how did I found this washing machine? I did just go to a viral video and I found him talking about a lot of products. I get to comments and I found a lot of people asking, where can I get that washing machine from? Where can I find this washing machine? Where I can get that? So a lot of people asking, where can they get this machine? So what you need to learn here is you have always to answer the comments. Why? Because sometimes you can find videos that going viral, but once you enter the comments, you will find out that people just making fun of those products, so it's not working. And that's why you have to check all the things, all the simple things that you don't pay attention to. For example, now I found this washing machine. What I will do is I just type the name of the washing machine and small or washing portable washing machine that I can take, you can take with you wherever you go. So I type the name of this portable washing machine, and I got a lot of videos, high quality videos. So what I did is I start copying the link of the video. So like you see here, this is the link of the video. I just copy the link of the video and go to TikTok made me buy it, which is this one. So let's start. For example, let me see if I can video. So for example, we have this is here, copy the link. I will go to here, and what I will do is I will come here and I will pass the link and I will click on download. I will now download the video and I will go to Pinterest. Now I will choose the video that I just downloaded. And now what I will do is post this video. I will come to Amazon. I will post the name of that product. I will find the product. So how can I get the link? You will find out this bar. You will just click on text and you will find here the link. All you need to do is click on it and you will click on copy. Now what you will do is come here to again to Pinterest and you will scroll down a little bit. You will find those informations that you have to fill. What you will do is you will just come here and click on the link and paste the link. Now what you will do is come to ChatGPT, ask him for a description for the product. So I will just take this machine here. So I will take it from here where additional washing machine is. So I will just take it from here, copy, and I will come back to the page. I will paste this. I will paste this. I will now come to Amazon and I will take the name of this. And let's see if I can put all this copy. And because Pinterest have some limits on the longest of the title, and it works. Now what I will do is scroll down. You can fix all these, but I will just now click on publish. So like you see here, I posted the video. Now what you need to do is make some changes on the video. Post trending music, for example, works so much. Post trending music, trending hashtags, uh, especially if you are working on TikTok or Instagram. Post trending music, trending, make trends with the product, make sure to follow the trend, make sure to do hashtags, trending hashtags. And this is it, guys. Hope this was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And also, guys, don't forget to like the video and see you guys on my next video.